วัสดีค่ะ Good morning new ICF Board of Executive Committee 2026 Congratulations to all of you. I would like to thank you for your willingness, for your commitment to contribute here in ICF Bangkok chapter. It's not many people that can manage the time to support society through coaching by being the volunteer leaders in ICF. And you can create and can make it happen. So as the President 2025, I would like to share with you that you all have the resources and skills, both from coaching skills, coaching professional, and your experiences from your professional, from your career, from your life. So you all are qualified to be here. I would like to thank you to you again for your commitment and your beautiful heart, because it's not easy to manage the time and to work in the volunteer environment, because we cannot control anyone, we cannot instruct anyone to do the things. But everyone have their own drive, their own motivation to support this society. This is really challenges for you as the directors. This is the challenges for you as the leader. You may familiar being the leader in organization that everyone must to have to listen to you, work to you. But in ICF Bangkok and in ICF chapter, we work from inside out, from each of people motivation. So if you are a part of this community, be the one that have your own drive, your own motivation to support each other, working and bringing our skills, our expertise in coaching professional to thrive our society. And this is not just doing good for other people, but this journey will support your own journey as well. You will experience by yourself, bringing the coaching mindsets, coaching skills to make the impossible possible as the leader, and as the not just the ordinary leader, but beyond leaders, the how can I say, the leader who care, the leader who are ready to support people, who are not doing by ourselves, but doing beyond ourselves. And you are the rare leaders. So I believe in you. Let's work. Let's enjoy working together, sharing together, contributing together in ICF Bangkok. We all come with the one purpose, the shared purpose. Even we may be the strangers, but we talk in the same language. We have the same heart. So I hope you enjoyed working together here. Welcome everyone. I couldn't waiting for partnering with all of you to thrive our society through coaching together.